When you see drops hit the water, here's what you don't see. Every drop bounces like a ball. Held together by surface tension, it continues to get smaller and smaller. This happens every time a raindrop hits a puddle. A 100 times every second, lightning strikes somewhere on Earth. Little was known about lightning until high-speed cameras turned the research upside down, literally. What our eyes see is energy flowing downward from the clouds. Now we can see that electricity also moves upward from the ground. If we can see lightning bolts, we can see almost anything that's lightning fast.